Aloha everyone, and welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube family channel. My name is Ale, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet called the Baby Sanctified paracord bracelet. So if you like this, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and of course consider to subscribe. That way you're gonna help us to continue making these paracord tutorials. And now stay tuned, because tutorial for this bracelet is right around the corner. For today's project we're gonna need 8 feet of this black paracord 550, or in the metric measurements 2.5 meters, and also this neon green paracord 550, also 8 feet or 2.5 meters in the magic measurements, and this paracord buckle. So let's start. First you're gonna take the buckle and insert it into the paracord jig or rig. And after that we're gonna take this black paracord and we're gonna insert it into the one side like this, and we're gonna pull it through here, through these two cords in the middle like this. So we're gonna form actually the basic single cow hitch. Now pull it, and we are done here. So the first cow hitch is finished. Now we're gonna turn around and insert it from the top to the bottom like this. One side and the other. And this is it. Now we're gonna take the neon green, we're gonna find the center like that, and we're gonna pull it through the back and secure it. We're gonna secure it with the basic, let me just zoom a bit, with the basic nut. So we're gonna make it with this black one from the right side like that, through the middle here, so like this, and through the right side here. As you can see, I hope you can clearly see. Let me just tie a bit. Okay, and that's it. Now do the same with the other side. So now when we secure this neon green, we're gonna take this black paracord and we're gonna insert it from the bottom, so under this left side like that, and through the middle, and on top of this right side here like that. Now with the other side we're gonna do the same, under this right side strand, in the middle, and on top of this left one here, like so. Now we're gonna take this neon green and we're gonna put it under the base of the bracelet and the whole structure, and we're gonna go and make it through the middle between left and right, like that. And we're gonna pull it through this loop from the left side, like that. Now we're gonna take the right strand cord, right side cord or strand. We're gonna put it also from the bottom to the middle, or through the middle actually, and then through the loop on the right, like that. So this is the basic weave or a knot for this Baby Sanctified Paracord bracelet. Now we're gonna pull this black one to tie it up, and now this neon green. Pull it to make it tight, and we finished our first loop for this Paracord bracelet. Now do the same thing with the left one, under, in between, to the right side with the right side, under this first on the right, and in the middle on top of the left. And now neon green, under, through the middle, on the left side, So now when you finish the last stitch or the last knot of this paracord bracelet, you simply detach from the So when you finished the last stitch or the last weave of this bracelet, you simply take and cut off this excess of a cord. So we finished our paracord bracelet, the Baby Sanctified. I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and of course don't forget to subscribe. By doing that, you're helping us to continue making these paracord tutorials. I hope you enjoyed, and until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.